Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic Chemistry questions for you. Here you have Selenium hexachloride. You should find hybridization and shape of it. Here you are having selenium hexachloride. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which will be H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. So selenium valence is 6 here, total chlorine atoms are 6. So if you substitute in the hydrogen, you have 12 by 2, which gives 6. So 6 means sp3d2 hybridization, which is octahedral form. If you look at the lone pair, 6 minus 6, which equals 0. There is no lone pair there. So sp3d2 hybridization with octahedral structure means selenium in the center, 6 chlorine at the terminal. You can see easily the structure of the compound by the animation. So the final geometry of selenium hexachloride is octahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.